An appeal this evening for help for a single mother who is struggling to deal with a medical condition that's affecting the development of her 2-year-old son. TVJ's Krista Campbell has that story.
Nestled in the arms of his mother, Xavier Waldron looks like an infant, except he's actually 2 years old. The medical condition, hydrocephaly, or water on the brain, affecting his growth. His mother, Lisa Richards, got the diagnosis when she was a little over 8 months pregnant. Now, at the tender age of 2, little Xavier has already done 3 operations to insert a shunt to drain fluids from his head. He will have to keep changing the shunt as he grows, but for now, the focus is to get him to walk. Ms. Richards says he's unable to just now because his legs are twisted.
I went to the orthopedic doctor. Doctor prescribed a shoes with straight line, shoes with medial arch to help to straighten the foot, help him to balance and be able to walk.
That special shoe costs $20,222, money the unemployed single mother does not have. Her son has missed 5 appointments because of it. She also wants help to see an eye care specialist to get a second opinion about her son's vision impairment.
The eye doctor said the jaundice damaged the nerve of the eye. He's seeing, but he's not going to see very well, but he's seeing a little.
And for all the things little Xavier cannot do, his mother says she has hope.
When I speak to him respond, look at, and like he move his mouth like he want to say words, but the words not coming out. When I put him on his belly, him hold up his neck, brace up on his hand, go up on his knee, he's actually trying to creep.
Despite her efforts, she's been unable to get a job, but says she would ask her mom to keep little Xavier if she becomes successful. If you want to help, you may donate to the Linstead branch of the Jamaica National Bank, account number 249906931. That's account number 249906931. Or contact the Linstead Community Development Committee in St. Catherine at 408-9873. That's 408-9873. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.